Action, Chrystal.
Today my best friend Brenda is coming over for dinner and I'm cooking.
Really? That's cool.
Here, Scuzzy, Brenda's coming today. You love Brenda, don't you, Scuzzy? My name is Chrystal and I am an acorn. Chrystal. Oh, I mean Chrystal. First, you get the bread. Next comes the peanut butter. Brenda turned me on to this peanut butter, and it is like, I've never tasted it before, yet, but it's like the best peanut butter ever. Seriously.
Wait, what if the viewers are allergic to peanuts?
Oh my God, you're allergic to peanuts? Get out of here! Brenda just texted.
Shoot, I can't make it.
Whatever. Finally, we add the jam. Then we put it all together. Oh my God! Why does that happen every time? I don't understand. Oh my God! It's just every time it does that. I don't know what I did wrong.